Hey everyone, coming to you from Tropicana in Las Vegas, and I have been having such luck here. Such good luck. I can't even speak proper English. I apologize. Anyways, sitting down at, of course, Lightning Lanes, high stakes version, and this is the high limit room. So smallest denomination is 10 cents and it goes up to $8. It's 10 cents quarter, 50 cents, and $1. I am betting 10 cents, $5. My go-to bet all the time. These are the progressives. And look what I just got. I landed another freaking major at the Tropicana. This is just unreal. And look at how much that major is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is unreal. $5 bet, guys. Okay, let's do it. I can hardly reach the button. I'm so far away, but let's do it. Nice. And again, these are dimes, so that was $25. $15. Let's fill the screen and get the grand. Holy cow. Come on, save it, save it. Oh my God, guys. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. This is unreal. I felt it coming. I felt it coming on this machine. Second major today from the Tropicana. All right. Oh my God. I am just so flippin' excited. Oh my God. Look at those sixes. Sixes are my lucky number. I don't know why. Anyways, look at. Oh my God. And we got minis on there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you say hand pay? This is insane. Okay, we're going to speed it up here. Let's see what else we got on top of $8,207. Oh my God, my heart is beating out of my chest. Oh my God. Hand pay. Let's wait for the song. And the major reset at $5,000. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Anyways, Tropicana, Las Vegas. Thank y'all for following me. I so appreciate y'all so much. Keep watching. So much more to come. This is insane. Thanks so much. Appreciate you. See you soon. Bye.